Welcome back to our channel Homestyle Fusion. We saw how to complete the first layer and the second layer. So today we are going to complete the yellow layer with different cases. Now I tell you about the different cases. So when we have only one dot here, it's called a dot case, and if you have two edges here, then it's called a V case, and now I have a horizontal line case. So for dot case, the algorithm is F U R U prime R prime F prime F R U R prime U prime F prime. So now that's the dot case algorithm. If you have V case, then you have to do F U R U prime R prime F prime. Now we have horizontal line case. So we are going to get the fish, which means one corner piece here and one full cross. And for that, F R U prime R prime U prime F prime. Now we call this also as a cross. And if there's one edge here, then make sure the edge is not facing towards you. It should be facing towards the back. After that, then you have like this, and then do one algorithm. L prime U prime L prime U prime L prime U to L. So now we have got the cross case again, and make sure again how it was staying with the before, do it. Make sure it's like that. And for that, now we do the algorithm one more time. L prime. So now we have got the cross again. So we'll do the V case algorithm. F U R U prime R prime F prime. Continue the V case. F. One more time. F. So now this is one kind of cross without any corners. When you have this cross, this is how you hold a cube, and when you find one corner piece over here, then it should be facing towards you. L prime U prime L U prime L U to L. Now we have got a fish, and this is called a fish. And now I'm going to show you one algorithm. Before that, when you have one corner here, make sure it's facing towards you like this. And when you have one corner piece here and has yellow over here, for that we'll do one algorithm. L prime U prime. So now we can see the fish is still there, so make sure it's pointing you again. And now here there's one yellow corner piece, it has yellow, and we'll do the algorithm one more time. L prime L. So now we can see our yellow layer is completed.